Hey guys, welcome back to my second video in this travel vlog series, and today I'm at Hirafu in Niseko, Hokkaido. You can see there's little mountains around me, and usually this place is a ski resort during the winter season, and a lot of foreigners visit here, so most of the city, everything you can do here is in English. And I came here during the summer because it's too hot in Tokyo, and it's a nice chilly climate here. It's around 20 degrees maximum during the summer, so it's a nice place to visit during summer if you don't want to get too hot. Today we're going to be traveling around Niseko and seeing what they have for us in store here. We're going to go rafting, we're going to go to a farm and enjoy some dairy products, we're going to go to a cheese factory, and whatever surprises us. So here I'm at the marvelous city of Hirafu in Niseko, and during winter it's normally a ski season, so there's a lot of ski people, but I'm here during the summer and it's pretty empty, so it's a great place to visit during summer. So let's get right to it. But before we go and have fun, I just want to show you what kind of place I'm staying at and what the accommodation here is like. So let's go have a look inside. Yeah, so welcome to the place I'm staying at. Let's just go through the front door. So if you look up, there's two floors to this place. There's an upstairs and there's also a downstairs. This is a first room to the left, and it's a queen-sized bedroom with a shower and toilet. So there's a bed, and in this wardrobe we have plenty of space where you can put in clothes and everything that you need to put in the closet. There's a traditional Japanese style door on this closet. In the room you have your very own bathroom, there's a shower and sink, so nice, ensuite. You go further down the hallway, you have another toilet here that you can use. And if you go all the way down, there's another room here, which is the kids' room or bunk bed room. The kids' room also has another bathroom here with its own bathtub. So if you want to relax in the bathtub, you can relax in the bathtub. There's also 4 bunk beds. So if you have kids or if you have like extra people, you can all keep them in the bunk beds. Here you have a storage room in the room, so you can store more stuff if you brought a lot of stuff over. Now if you go upstairs with me, there's another room. In the first room to the right, we have a toilet room. So there's a Japanese style toilet with its robot buttons. Bidet, it automatically opens, it heats up, amazing Japanese style toilet. And we'll just go to the room on the right later. And over here is the living room. So the living room is probably one of my favorite rooms in this whole house because of the spaciousness and amount of things you can do here. So here's the kitchen on the left, and this is the dining table. So first here we have the fridge, and the fridge has 3 compartments. It's very spacious, and there's all this space so you can just fit whatever food you want into here. Over here there's toaster, rice cooker, microwave, knives, and on the top we have kettles, coffee maker, and a blender. There's a hot pot machine at the top as well. This is the sink, and this is an electronic stove here, so if you want to cook stuff, you can cook. There's also an oven and dishwasher. So we move further into the living room. Here we have the main lounge area and main part where you'll be sitting. So there's a L-shaped couch, there's a normal couch, there's a massive TV, and a little glass table. So if you wanted to, just sit here, relax, and enjoy yourself in this place. Let me just change the angle here because the shadows look bad. Hold on. Yeah, that looks better. Yeah, so you can just sit here, look at the TV, relax a bit. Yeah. Pretty good house, yeah. I rate it pretty highly. There you can look outside, and you have an amazing view of the Yorteizan, the volcano at the middle of Niseko. Pretty good. There's a car park at the bottom, so if you're on a car, you can park your car in front of the house. Yeah. Pretty good living room, amazing view. And here's the dog. Oh no. Damn. The dog ain't here. Dog's running away. Oh, yeah, the dog. Come here, Coco. Yeah, come here, Coco. Coco. So yeah, you can bring your dog here as well. So the next room here is another queen-size bedroom. Same layout and everything as the first floor one, so there isn't much to explain here, but it's another nice spacious room if you want to bring another person over and sleep on the queen-size bed. Here's the bed, and there's another closet over here, same position as the first floor, and the little cubby on the floor. So I'm going to show you the bathrooms, since I didn't show you that on the first floor, so here we go. Over here is a sink where there's hot or cold water, whatever you want to use. Same basic sink, and the mirror to check yourself out. Behind me here is another shower, so if you want to shower in your room, you can shower in your room. So we step in, it's quite spacious, shower heads up there and controls down here. There's also amenities if you want, shampoo, conditioner, body wash, all of that. So yeah, this is the room, it's a nice room, and oh god, what's my dog doing? Why is she in here? Coco, Coco, no, don't, no. Okay, she's on the bed now. My dog's on the bed. Oh god, what is she doing? Guess she's just interested in the bed and room. I guess this is her bed now. She's sleeping here. Yeah. So this is the final room for the house tour, and this is just a utilities room. There's bins for you to throw stuff out, plastic and general. There's also a dryer, washing machine, chuck all your stuff in there whenever it's dirty, another sink to wash whatever, and the generator. So yeah, this is the final room and my house tour. Boring bits out the way. Now here comes the fun part. Today I'm at the Niseko Adventure Center. Let's go rafting. Yo, bro, look like a stormtrooper.
Hey, we are backside.
Damn, I look so goofy. Why do I look like this, bro? Like, what is this fit? The fit. Drippy, yeah, bro. Make the drip. What? What? Drippy as fuck, bro. Look at this drip. Sweating in my boots. Pushing the water. Paddle.
What are the little ones?
Hey, ready for the bus. You guys can just get onto this back bus and just go to the back and then make it like forward.
Okay. Let's go. We on the bus. In the back, right? 後ろから前。一番後ろ座りますか、4人。Yeah, this four. Damn, bro. I'm gonna go rafting in the river. It's gonna be sick as fuck.
I wish I could tan while doing it.
Why?
I want to tan.
Okay. Now we got these goofy ass wetsuits on. Why is bro jumping?
What white do you think he is?
Huh?
What white person do you think he is?
Aussie.
Aussie, right?
Yeah.
Aussie, right?
We're all Aussie. Everyone that worked there was Aussie.
Oh, talking. Sometimes I might say moto moto, just so we get a little bit more power, just so we maybe get around a rock.
Okay.
Okay, minasan, ishoni, mai koge, se no. Boys, you want to do a test of strength? Test your core muscles out.
Sure.
So, beginner level, what I just did was stick your feet in, put your hands on your chest, lean back with your head in the water, and then do a sit up without using your hands.
Yeah, do it.
Next level up, hang on to the rope, adjust yourself a little bit, head in, but, and just use the core to hold yourself. And then do a sit up.
Okay. Hold on to the rope.
I reckon put your hand on this side and
Yeah.
use that ring as like.
I'll hold on to this one then. While I do it, while I try.
What's it recording? Oh, where?
Let's go! Okay, almost.
Leg up.
Wow. Good job.
Good job.
You want to try? You good? No?
Okay. Back up your phone a little bit. Okay, anyone up for a balance test?
Sure.
Okay, so the way this is going to work, you leave your paddle here,
Yeah.
and you're going to stand in the front of the boat, and I'm going to spin it.
Oh god.
Ooh. So, the first thing that is here, you're going to get away from this boat so that everyone else can
Right.
Yeah, I can hold it. I can hold Alright. Stand legs like this.
Legs like this?
On the front, up.
Oh, on the front up here. Oh god. Okay.
There you go.
Okay.
And you tell me once you've got a good footing and I'll start slow. Yeah? You want me to push? Alright. I'm gonna put the brakes on soon.
Why is it inside?
Okay, I'll go
Outside.
Go out.
One more?
Okay.
Super. Outside. Let's go. Okay. Sorry? Oh, yeah.
Those are crashing.
Okay, Michael, say no.
뜨다 죽을네.
木がまだ見れるんだ。
Whew, god damn. I loved rafting. Rafting was so fun, guys. But yeah, I mean, I'd honestly recommend it to anyone that comes here. It was so fun. I love rafting, especially during the summer seasons in beautiful nature. But yeah, I mean, this video's gone on for so long now, so I'm just gonna cut it short here, and then I'll just make another video out of the remaining content I have, which should be up pretty soon. You guys won't have to wait until next week for that. They'll come up sooner. So yeah, later half will just be me going to dairy farms and me going to a museum. So yeah, look forward to that in a couple of days. See you guys next video. Bye bye.